Good evening, everybody. Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. It's melting. It's nice and happy to see. It rained all day. But look at that. I can see the logs that were buried in the middle of the yard all this time. The snow is going down. The trailer is exposed. The trailer was buried. That snow was to the top of that trailer. It was buried fully. My pathways are widening out, and the log pile is visible, which wasn't. Spring is in the air. That was completely invisible. And we got turkeys. There's turkey tracks in the snow. And we've got some turkeys running around. See? That's a good thing. Having turkeys running through the property, that's a very good thing. That's exciting. You can barely see them because it's melting, but there's tracks all over now. Well, the other day I didn't have my camera, but I had to clear off the roof of the tent. It was collapsing under the weight of snow load and rain. It was collapsing. I tightened it up some, but it looks like it's got a little bit more sag I got to pull out of it. Because now every time it rains, it's just going to build up and sag. There was 4 feet of snow out there. It's melting good. I haven't got to the wood shop literally all winter. I haven't been in the wood shop. I haven't been able to get to the wood shop. It's been a rough winter compared to last year. I know when I was a kid, it was worse than that. But well, I got spoiled. I got used to the mild years, the mild winters. Well, this is what I was talking about. I get home, it's after 7. It's probably about 7:20, 7:30. And we still have, actually there's blue up there above the clouds. We still have some sunlight out there somewhere. So the days are getting longer and I'll be able to start recording more and more. That's really good. So I got some exciting videos coming up here. The next installment in the How to Get Off the Grid series is coming. And I want to do some homesteading type videos coming up here. So I've got big plans, exciting things. And of course, every single week on DIY Tube we're going to do a giveaway from now on. And that's fun. That's going to be really exciting for people. So there's the firewood. We have a good start for next year, at least. At the very least. It was too wet this year, what I had left. And it just wasn't burning right. But with this, and I have a couple other loads in another spot that needs to be split, I think we're going to have a fair amount for next year already. That's a good head start. Alright guys, well, I just wanted to grab the camera while I could. I love this. It's still daylight out. So, unless something comes up tonight, I will go in and we'll see what comes up in the next days here. It's Troy from the melting Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. And it feels good to be home and see daylight. Talk to you later.